Let's play Candy Quest! The way we navigate inside the deck is important. There are reminders on every card for navigation, but know that Next removes the card from play and that Skip keeps the card in. The game board is on a card in the deck, and we want to keep it in throughout the whole game so our pieces stay in place. We always use Skip when we leave the game board. Now before we play, we use Next to get rid of all of the front matter cards and instructions. So we don't need this one in. We've already read this part, we'll say, already read that part. And here you are at the game board. Now on the board, players select the game piece that they want to be throughout the game, and you place them at start. In this case, let's play with Candy Corn and Jelly Bean. Right there. Now, to move to the question card, we use Skip. Remember, we use Skip when leaving the board. And we get here. Now, in decks of Candy Quest that have content in them, you will have a question or a target word up here, and then you drag this off to see what you rolled or the answer to the question if there is one. In this case, Kenny rolled a 2. So we go back using first and move Kenny 2. 1, 2 for Kenny. Now it's Jelly Bean's turn. We use Skip to leave this card, and we get here, but this is Kenny's card. We've already done that one, right? So we hit Next to remove it and get a new card for Jelly Bean. Jelly Bean has rolled a fancy square. So we use first to return to the board, and then Jelly Bean gets to move all the way up here. Oh, nice, Jelly Bean. It keeps playing like this. We use Skip to get to the question card. If it's one we've already seen, we use Next to remove it. Answer the question, see what you dragged, whatever it is on there, return to first. Simple enough. And we play just as we do any one of a number of racing board games. The first person to get all the way to the end wins. Now, in the unlikely event that you run out of question cards, you have a lot of them in the game, but it is a possibility that you will run out. So if that happens, what you do is you remember where your characters are on the board. In this case, Candy Corn's down here, just 2 in, and Jelly Bean's on this one. And you hit refresh. Now what that does is it reshuffles the deck so you have the cards in a new order, but it also restarts the game. So you hit Next, get rid of these things. And then you're able to return the pieces to where they were on the board and just keep playing because it will have shuffled it for you. So we go to Next. We got a 6 this time. Return to first. And we just keep playing that way. All kinds of fun. Kids absolutely love board games, and they love playing with things that are sweet like candy. I know that you and your students will so enjoy Candy Quest. Best of luck. Bye-bye.